Hey guys, pack Katie's order with me. So Katie is getting 4 items or actually she's getting 5. So since she's getting more than 4 items, I like to use my black subscription boxes because they're a little bit bigger than the white boxes. So let's throw some crinkle paper in there and spread it all out so that we can get the box nice and full. And now it's ready to add our items. Let's see what she ordered. So she got a 4-pack of my Georgia Peach soap, which smells really good and it's great for your skin. And then she also got a loofah soap. So last but not least, let's add some discounts and a few ways for her to get in touch with me if she wants to follow me on YouTube, TikTok, wherever. Once the box is closed, I have to definitely add my logo sticker. I finally found some shipping bags that were big enough for my black subscription boxes on Amazon, so I'm extremely happy about that. They also match the color of my logo, so that's definitely a plus. This package is being shipped in Georgia, so thank you so much, Katie, and follow and like this video if you want to package more orders with me.